Hi, everyone. My name is Rochelle Boyer. I'm the Seattle WREN chapter leader. I'm here with Jen Maldonado. Hi, Jen. How are you?
I'm doing great, Rochelle. I'm really excited what's coming for all of us.
I know, right?
Or should you say it?
I want to say, I'm like so excited about this. We actually have Ignite 2020 coming up. So tell us, when is it? When can we expect to come? When is it? What is this fabulous event?
October 10 and 11. If you want to ignite the fire within you and what we are calling the unconference. Something that's going to be different than anything else out there online. So yes, don't expect the regular stuff. So October 10 and 11, Rochelle, I think I'm really excited, and LA chapter is really excited about joining us. So what is your thoughts on what's coming?
Oh gosh, it's so good. So again, like we talked about, it's the unconference, but something for you ladies, you guys got to hear this. We want you to be prepared. We have a fabulous network of women. I mean, your deals are there, your money's there, your support, your mentorship, just to name a few things. But what I think is really important, Jen, and what I want to talk about today is your why. So I think every lady needs to take a few minutes and say, what is my why? Because that's what drives us. So tell us a little bit about maybe your why and why you think whys are important, and what is a why?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, every time that I go to an event, it doesn't matter what, I need to ask myself, what is my intention of joining this event? Why is that I want to meet all of these kick-ass women that can help me maybe succeed or level up my game in the real estate business? So asking why, it starts within. There's a reason why we want to learn how to invest in real estate, whether it's your family, whether it's financial freedom, whether it's creating a lifestyle, creating a legacy.
Right? Time to do what we want. Yeah.
So asking ourselves that question before any event. Why is that I really want to join this specific event? What is that I can get out of it? And what is my intention when I go there? Do I want to meet my next partner in regards to real estate investing? Do I want to meet a mentor? Do I just want to go and get information and execute? So it's something so personal. It comes from your heart. And yes, it goes into your head, but having that why you're joining this event will be critical to get the most out of it. Don't you think, Michelle?
I love it. And again, I've been to, I've been educated as well, and I've met other fellow investors, and the most successful ones have a why. And I think it's one of those things for me, it's time. It's about time. We can't bring our time back. Once it's here, it's gone. So it's about time and financial freedom for me. And again, I think everything we need is at Ignite. So guys, ladies, come join us. I mean, come support each other. Jen and I were just talking about how fabulous it is to work with women as opposed to men, right? We're all
they're cool, but women are more powerful.
Yeah, and it's just so refreshing, right? To support and nurture and encourage. So take a few minutes, figure out your why. If you're unsure, reach out to one of us chapter leaders. Every one of us is willing to help. So again, we're here to help. So tell us again.
Rochelle, let's talk to the people out there. Listen, if you're watching this video, why you don't share in the comments below, what is your why for attending to this event? I want to see what is that you're up to. I know my why. What is yours?
Love it. So do you want to remind them so if they want to go to Ignite, maybe they haven't signed up yet, where would we go? Do you know where to?
Yes, just go to igniteyourfirewithin.com. Simple as that. Yeah.
Simple as that. Oh, we're looking so forward to seeing all of you. Thank you again for everything and being a part of it. Bye, everyone. See you soon. Love you. Bye.